What if I told you that you can build your own custom WordPress plugin without writing a single line of code? Sounds impossible, right? But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using free AI tools. Yes, completely free, and it's way easier than you think. This isn't just for developers. This trick is for small business owners, bloggers, marketers, anyone who wants a feature-rich site without paying thousands to a dev team. Let's be honest, WordPress plugins can be powerful, but building one from scratch? That's where most people give up. Coding is intimidating. Hiring a developer is expensive, and existing plugins don't always do what you want. So, what if there was a way to build a plugin that does exactly what you need, and you could do it yourself, with no tech skills, no coding, and no stress? Stick around because I'm going to walk you through a real example, and by the end, you'll be ready to launch your own plugin today. Here's the trick. Use a free AI tool like ChatGPT, PO, or Google Gemini. Type this simple prompt. Create a basic WordPress plugin that adds a contact form using shortcode. And boom, in seconds, AI will write the code for your plugin. Next, open any text editor, paste the code, and save it with a PHP extension. Name it something like my-contact-form.php. Now log into your WordPress admin panel. Head to Plugins, click Add New, then Upload Plugin. Choose the file you just created, install, and activate. Congratulations! You just built a working plugin with zero code knowledge. Add the shortcode anywhere you like, and you're good to go. You can repeat this trick for anything. Booking systems, lead capture, pricing tables, pop-ups, even WooCommerce add-ons. Just ask AI clearly and it'll do the hard part. This is especially powerful if you're rerunning a digital business or want to offer freelance WordPress services, like I do. Many of my clients across the USA have saved thousands using these custom-built solutions. If you like help creating your own plugin or custom feature, just mention me in the comments section below. I'm always happy to connect with motivated creators. If this video helped you discover something new, or saved you from a coding nightmare, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Share this with someone who's struggling with WordPress, and comment below with your plugin idea. I might build one of them in my next video. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered no-code WordPress hacks. New videos drop every week that make tech easy and fun, even if you're not a developer. Comment AI Plugin Master if you watched till the end, and I might just shout you out next video.